Here are some quick beauty tips. 1. Hydrate your skin by drinking plenty of water and using a moisturizer. 2. Protect your skin from the sun with SPF sunscreen and avoid prolonged sun exposure. 3. Get enough sleep to reduce dark circles and improve overall skin health. 4. Use a facial cleanser to remove makeup and impurities from your skin. 5. Apply a lip balm to keep your lips moisturized and prevent dryness. 6. Use a tinted moisturizer instead of foundation for a more natural look. 7. Apply coconut oil as a natural and effective makeup remover. 8. Exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells and improve its texture. 9. Eat a healthy and balanced diet that includes fruits and vegetables. 10. Practice self-care and take time for yourself to reduce stress and improve overall well-being.